So I'm here at the jail project and I wanted to kind of show you some of the plumbing ins and outs. If you take a look here, these are like a stop guard. So when you're screwing in drywall or cabinets or whatever, you're not going to screw through there and puncture the hot water hose or the cold water hose, which is really cool. So if you look at this, I have 3 lines here. I got a hot and a cold and 1 extra. That 1 extra is called a recirculating line. Because of the way that the space is, and it's so far from here over to the hot water tank, if I was to turn the water on and to wait that long, it'd take like 10 minutes for me to get hot water out in my sink. So what they did was they put a recirculating line in that always has hot water in it, and it's constantly being pumped. It's like about $0.01 a day to run, and it circulates it to all the bathrooms and over here to the kitchen. So it's a really neat feature that they thought of. It's a little extra above and beyond. So that, I just wanted to kind of show you some cool plumbing stuff.